Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and also daily update on Pepe. All right, wanted to do a full video. We have lost this uptrend, you could say, because we've broken down below this trend line. I don't think that's the case. The trend line is no longer valid, but in general, I think Pepe is still bullish. As you can see, we have not broken down below any of the EMAs yet. Sure, earlier this morning when we saw a bit of a sell-off, obviously we had a sell-off during the whole night, at least in my time zone. But we had a bit of a sell-off, and during that we did touch the 50 EMA. But as we talked about yesterday as well, the main support level is still right here around 8,000. So as long as that holds, we are still at least consolidating up here between 9,000 and 8,000. And if we are consolidating here between 9,000 and 8,000, even if we have lost the uptrend, consolidating that high is still bullish. All right, so purely technically, I am still bullish on Pepe. The situation in the market right now, let me quickly change this, because right now it's just a drawn line. But obviously it's better to just create a real key level like this. This is the main support. All right, so, but yeah, the situation is still a bit difficult. And yesterday somebody commented, and I've gotten that comment a lot, and I understand, because what a lot of people want, if they click a video, they want me to tell you, all right, this is going to happen. This is what I predict, but that's just not how crypto works, all right? And I think he said, oh, you said it can go up or down. That I said that, which is not really what I do, all right? Because usually I tell you what I think is most likely. That's what I predict. But in reality, it is the truth, all right? Pepe right here can go up, it can go down. And that's the truth to it. I am mainly a trader, all right? So I just know in general when to take a trade. That doesn't, and I know how to analyze, how to gain some sort of a bias and what's most likely to happen. But crypto is unpredictable. A lot of things can happen, especially when the circumstances, such as right now, are quite unpredictable. We've just had the weekend. A lot of new capital is flowing into the markets. Depending on where that capital flows to, etc., we can know a little bit more. But right now, it is the truth that we can go up or down. Now, what I do think is most likely, and that hasn't changed if you watch my last analysis, I think it's most likely we will continue to be bullish. Right now, the way we are reacting to support is a bullish confirmation. In the end, it is very, very reliant still on Bitcoin if we want to get a bullish breakout, right? Because what we ultimately want to see is that Pepe gets some sort of a bullish breakout right here above 9,000. Because if we break out there, then that's a confirmation of a continuation of the uptrend. And then we can start talking about 9,500 and 10,000 again. So that's obviously what we want to see. And if I expect a breakout, which I don't, then it would be this one. All right, so I am more bullish on Pepe than bearish. I think a bullish breakout is the most likely one. But at this moment, there's no indication we will get a breakout. I mean, Bitcoin is relatively bullish, that's great. But Bitcoin still also has a lot of resistance. And then at the same point of time, Pepe yesterday gained a lot of momentum over the course of the day. But we also lost that. All right, so the momentum is back to square one, which means that it's relatively flat around $350 million. So what we have to wait for is two things: either for Pepe to gain more momentum, that's an indication we can get a bullish breakout, or for Bitcoin to get a major bullish breakout above, for example, 62,000. If that happens, we can get this bullish breakout as well, and I expect that because Pepe is still one of the strongest performers. However, if that doesn't happen, I don't expect a bearish breakout, but I do expect us to just stay consolidating in this region, because I do think we are losing some of the trend we had. Right, so something like this is what I expect then. Excuse me, my mouse is a little bit laggy. But this is what I think is most likely at this moment. If we get a breakout, it's going to be the bullish one. But like I said, we need either more momentum or a bullish Bitcoin. And that's what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.